Canva allows all types of designs and is a comprehensive and convenient tool. It's free, but not the only option. There are many alternatives to Canva, accessible via web, smartphone apps, or computer programs. These tools enable you to create album covers, invitations, infographics, resumes, and more using templates. Customize colors, add stickers, and default designs. Like Canva, these tools offer customizable templates suitable for beginners. 1. Adobe Express. Formerly Adobe Spark Post, now Adobe Express, it's perfect for social media graphics, texts, invitations, and infographics. It's beginner-friendly and offers customizable templates, photo and video editing features. It's free to use with registration. 2. Desygner. Desygner is an online graphic design tool with a wide range of templates. It has a web version, iOS and Android apps, and is popular among businesses worldwide. Create cards, social media posts, and flyers. Free registration grants access to editable templates, resizing, and sharing. 3. Crello aka Vista Create. Crello offers over 25,000 themed templates with animations for unique social media posts. It's a top alternative to Canva, providing a vast template selection. Free registration allows customization and offers both free and paid options for adding images, videos, animations, and text. 4. Design Wizard. Design Wizard is an internet-based graphic design tool that enables users to create impressive designs easily and quickly. No prior design knowledge required. Create designs for social media, publications, presentations, and business cards. It offers a wide selection of pre-designed templates that are customizable. Access a library with over 1 million images, illustrations, icons, and shapes. Edit and resize designs, then share directly on social media or download in various formats. These alternatives to Canva provide a variety of templates and customization options. They offer user-friendly interfaces, making them suitable for both beginners and professionals. Choose the format you need and access templates for specific purposes like social media or marketing. Customize and export your designs in various file formats. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.